Why should you learn Spanish? It's more than just a skill. It's the chance or the opportunity to transform your life. Now, let's move on to the top 5 benefits of learning Spanish. Benefit number 1, travel better. Imagine ordering tapas in a Spanish restaurant in Barcelona or haggling the price in a market in Mexico. I know it might feel intimidating, but I promise you, the rewards are worth it. Benefit number 2, número 2, making connections. Spanish is spoken by over 500 million people worldwide. That's 500 million plus friendships that you can potentially make. Benefit number 3, keep your mind sharp. Learning a language is like a gym workout for your brain. It boosts your memory and reduces the chances of cognitive decline as you get older. So essentially, learning Spanish is not just fun, it's healthy. Good for your mind and body. Hey, real quick, 2 things. I want to thank you personally for taking time to watch this video, but did you know that over 76% of people who watch the videos here on Speak Spanish Now are not subscribed? And there's a good chance that you could be one of them. So make sure you're subscribed so you catch all of the fun tips, the creative strategies, and easy to follow lessons. The second thing is that my Spanish Made Simple challenge is coming up very soon, and I want to make sure that you are a part of it. It's a 5-day challenge where I guide you through some of the basics of learning Spanish, key tactics and strategies I've used with my clients and students for over the last 24 years. But more importantly, I want to encourage you to register for the VIP experience where we will spend an additional hour addressing specific questions you may have, as well as hands-on practice on how to properly listen, comprehend, and speak the language. So use the link below to get registered for the Spanish Made Simple Challenge, and I'll see you there. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Benefit número 4, boost your emotional well-being. Learning Spanish can give you a huge confidence boost. Especially mastering a language can provide a sense of achievement that can be incredibly fulfilling. Plus, it's a fun way to break out of your normal routine and add some spice into your life. We want to talk about something that's really wild, the joy of having your first actual conversation in Spanish. That right there, that's a mood lifter. That's the type of change, that's the transformation that you'll make once you successfully had a conversation in Español. Y ahora tenemos benefit número 5, strengthening professional opportunities. Knowing Spanish opens doors to new career opportunities. With Spanish being the second most spoken language in the world, employers value bilingual employees or candidates more than ever. So whether it's for networking, managing clients, or expanding into Spanish-speaking markets, knowing Spanish is a skill that gives you the competitive edge at any age. So with that said, learning Spanish can be not only your secret weapon for personal growth, it can also be your secret weapon for professional success. So when was the best time to start learning Spanish? Yeah, that was ayer. That was yesterday. The second best time? Ahora mismo, right now. So if you're starting from scratch or you're starting over, you need a crystal clear blueprint, check out this video right here where I break down the best way for you to learn Spanish, starting off from 0 or starting over. Check this out and I'll meet you over there. Soy Profe Don Omar, your guide to becoming a better Spanish speaker. Nos vemos.